So what's up, everyone? So we're back with another one on a Friday. So let's see what we can catch today. Let's see what we caught. We have a whole bunch of different plays that we will go for. Right now, I want to show you, as we start the whole live, I want to show you the types of percentages we try to go for. We did call out Lunar. Lunar was another good trade. I made someone $5K, $5,000. That was yesterday. Said thank you so much. As you can see, what's up, Cheryl girl? How you doing today? So had some targets. Some people cut. Some people actually posted their gains over 300%. Full move did not even happen yet, so we're still waiting on that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll keep on going. I do have a couple good trades that we're in currently, but we'll find some more trades that we can actually take together. But yeah, very good day for Lunar. If you would have gotten in, made over 5K for that. Target caught over 300%. Caught that one out as well. Good morning. Hope all is well. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're having a blessed one too. Got up a little late this morning. I was like, you know what? I'll sleep in a little later. But it's all good. We're here now. And now, let's see what kind of trades we can actually catch. And yes, I will be going over how to do this by yourself. And yeah, this is pretty much it. We try to go for the bigger time frame gains, like 194%. As you can see, let me turn this down a little bit. SPY, 145%. We'll try to keep on going and see what we caught, see what we're catching. So we caught on SPY, 316%. Them old dates, fam. Okay, I'll go to the new dates, bro. I got you, bro. So yesterday, over 5K. I got you, bro. So yes, over 5K on Lunar. And I'm just showing you right now the types of trades we go for, what we try to go. Yesterday, again, over 300% on target. We'll keep on scrolling, another 3K. But yeah, we try to keep on going for the higher time frame trades. And yes, 275%. Yo, what's up, Jose? How you doing, bro? Good to see you again. And as you can see, yes, these are pretty much currently every single day. Yes, this is my Discord. This is how we catch all these gains. It's the PutBrothers trading server. What's up, Dylan? Hope you're doing good, though. Yeah, we'll keep going 145%. And yes, we just started at the bottom. Now we're scrolling up. What are we doing today? We have a couple good trades that I will be looking at. We are in some lightly, but we will find a lot more trades. Another 500%. I did call out SPY yesterday if you were in the live as well. Pretty good move to the upside. Now let's keep on going. So another one. 300% in contracts that we buy are very cheap. And this one was $14 all the way up to $56. And another one, as you can see, we can keep going in. 392%. Tesla. Okay, I will definitely look at Tesla. Let me write that down. I will look at that. Tesla. So now let's keep going. 118%. As you can see, we try to catch a lot of bigger trades. So yeah, this was all this week, last week, pretty much. So 190%. We'll keep on going. And right now, yes, I'm just showing you the types of trades we try to go for. And I'm going to show you how to do it all by yourself. And we can finally find some trades together. And yeah, this is pretty much it. We try to go for the bigger time frame trades. 473%. How the ETFs looking? I will definitely look at that. We have a whole bunch. I will say the price action yesterday was a little bit better. So I'm loving it. So hopefully by Monday we can start fresh. And, you know, back to regular position size. We caught Lulu as well, 270%. We'll keep going, 278%. What's up, Johns? Appreciate you all for tuning in. Appreciate it, Manny, for the follow. As you can see, 166%, 110%. But yeah, the higher time frames will get you this, the 24-hour, the weekly charts. And as you can see, all the members hitting, all the members here. They're all pretty cool. 274%. Shout out to Rug Reality. Pretty cool, dude. Now, 219%, as you can see. Riot, 153%. So we caught those. So a lot of more different trades. And yes, we did start from the bottom. Now we're just scrolling up and just looking at the different types of trades we caught. I called out IWM. I was 191%, over 13K for that. But yeah, a lot of different types of gains, different types of traders in here. Appreciate the gifts. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. 1,800%, SC 141%, 240%. So do we follow you in a different app to trade live with you? Yes. If you do want to trade with me, just join the Discord. Join the free Discord. You don't have to pay for anything. We do have the live trading alerts, but yeah, just join the free version. Everything link is in the bio. Everyone's pretty cool here. and was pretty nice. As you see, ABGO over 3,000%, over $68,000 made. Yeah, so a lot of different types of trades. Let me go to the beginning, the most recent 5K. Well, I got 80 bucks in my account. That's even perfect. You don't even need a lot. You can even start with $30, and our contracts are very cheap that we like to buy. And if you do plan on joining, link is in the bio. You can join the free version. You don't have to pay for anything. And if you're new here, I would rather you, actually just try to learn from us. Ask your questions. We have a lot of people asking questions, trying to catch a lot of these gains. So yeah, this is pretty much it, how we catch this. And this dude, he even asked me a couple questions. He's not even in the VIP, and I let him make over 5K. So that's pretty much it. And I love helping people out a lot. And yeah, if you want to join, feel free. Link is in the bio. We also do have the live trading alerts, but you don't have to join this. But if you do plan on joining, I have a lot of DMs asking. Promo code is PutBrothers. It's 25% off the whole website. But yes, if you're in the free version, make sure to ask your questions. There's a lot of people here asking questions like, oh, is my chart valid? Is it good? Yada, yada. We have the testimonials here. Join the VIP. Thank you, PutBrothers. Up 1,400. Let's go. But yeah, you guys get it. Now, let's actually find some trades that we can actually look forward to. But now, yeah, let's keep going. You guys see all the percentages and things of that sort. So now, drop some things you guys want me to look at. I am looking at a couple right now. So yes, the higher time frames, as you can see, gets us these types of gains here. And now, let's start at the first. This is my first one. And I will be taking this. Obviously, this is sound on the 24-hour chart. And no, not the daily chart, the 24-hour. And we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you what I'm looking for when I get into a trade. And this looks pretty good, by the way. This looks really good. Obviously, it looks like an early punchback entry. If we can hold below, it does look like we can enter early. But right now, the first thing that I've seen here, the first thing that I looked for, QSI and, okay, I got you. 100% QSI and sound. Got you. Perfect. I would definitely look at that as soon as I'm done here. So right now, the first thing that I've seen here for sound, so SoundHound, this is SoundHound sound. This is a move from 1818 all the way down to the 1485. And the first thing that I've seen here was this clear empty space to this upside. So I've seen I've seen two consecutive green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the downside. So we've seen this clear push up. There's no red candles. There's no consolidations. And shout out to Potter for this. This is called our empty space. So we would love to ride this to the downside once a wall can be broken. And no, I did not do Tesla yet. I will do Tesla as soon as I'm done with sound. But yeah, this is pretty much it. We have a wall that needs to be broken under. So we have this top wall and this bottom wall. And I did make this wall when we were right here. And we punched outside of this box. So if we can keep holding, we will be able to catch the trade to the downside. Eduardo, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean, no? But anyways, if we can break and close under this 1818, we will be able to target down to this downside to this 1485. And yes, I would take it for puts if we can break and close under. But right now, there is no entry. I would not enter into anything right now. CRNC, I got you, bro. Let's see, CRNC. Okay, I got you, bro. No worries. I got you, bro. We'll show you the gains page and show you what I do for my members for free. As you can see, I made yesterday. Someone made $5,000. He said, "Thank you so much." Another member, as you can see, 300% just yesterday as well. Another $3,000. We can keep going, bro. But yeah, we catch a lot of these trades, bro. And I know it sounds ridiculous. I know it sounds like we don't catch anything. But yes, we do. A lot of these trades we try to go for. And yeah, I really help real people catch a lot of these trades. 145%, not 194%, 1,300. As you can see, 316%, 145%. We can literally keep going forever. Another 500%. I call it out the Qs, and I called out the Qs and SPY. It was pretty cool. So yes, the website I go for, this is called Trading View, and this is how I look at all of my analysis. And this is how we catch all these big gains. And that's pretty much it. But shout out to Eduardo. Hope you're catching these gains too, man. Hope you're doing well, man. So now we'll keep going. We will keep going. So yes, this is a $4 move down on SoundHound, and this looks pretty good. And if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free one. You don't have to pay for the VIP. You can just join the free version. Ask your questions. Everyone in there is pretty cool. But yeah, from the 1818 down to the 1485, that looks pretty good. Now let's keep going. Let's go to Tesla. Let me do Tesla, and I'll do SoundHound after. What's up, Josh? Appreciate you for tuning in, bro. So now let's keep going. After I take a water break, yes, this is Tesla on the 24-hour chart. I did actually call this out like on Friday or something. But now let's keep going. So right here, obviously, 1 second. We did have this. I can say I did call this out when we were up here at this 419.99. I don't know if any of you were in the live when I called it, but I was looking for puts to the downside. And right here, I feel like we did touch under here, and we did tap into this imbalance right here, into this 376.87. So either we're going to see this bounce here, and we're going to bounce up into this empty space, or we're going to fill into this 362.90. And to be honest, I feel like we will tap into this 362.90 and tap onto this floor. But yes, not financial advice. Do your own research. But that's pretty much it for me. I will go down to a lower time frame to see if we can actually ride this back up. And this looks pretty good if we can. So now let's keep going. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see if anything is here that we like. I don't see anything on the 4-hour. I do see some empty space that we could possibly take to the upside. But let me go down to the 1-hour chart and see if there's anything. Oh, okay. Okay, this looks good. I could take a Tesla 1-hour trade to the upside if we can get this entry. I'll go over SPY too. I did call out SPY on the live too. This was literally yesterday. But anyways, now let's look at this. This is Tesla on the 1-hour chart. Let me go ahead and get rid of this right here. And as you can see, we're bouncing on one of my levels. So the first thing that I see here is this empty space. Well, this POTTERBOX here. So shout out to Potter. And then we do see this top wall. Boom, my final take profit. So don't even worry about this. Don't worry about any of this. Let's just worry about Trade USA. I got you 100%. Appreciate you for tuning in. So we do see this right here. So this is the empty space that I'm looking for, that I'm talking about. 1 second. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. So right here, this is a move from the 384.65 up to the 401.55. And I usually trade on the higher time frames, but this is pretty good risk to reward. I would have to look at the contracts, make sure they look good. But other than that, this looks pretty good to the upside. So from the 384.65, I would take it up to the 401.55. That looks pretty cool. Can you take TGL? I got you. Hopefully that's, or did you mean TGT? Just let me know and I got you. But I'll definitely look that up for you. But as long as we can break over this wall, so I do see this not halfway. QQQ, I got you with the Qs. I will definitely look at the Qs as well. So once we break outside of this wall at this 384, my first take profit is going to be the imbalance of this empty space. And the imbalance is the halfway point. So that is correct, bro. That is very correct. So yes, this is pretty much it. And this is how I do it. And this is on Tesla right here. This is Tesla. So right now, and I got you with CRNC. I will do that right after this. Appreciate it so much. CRNC, I do have that written down for you. So the first thing that we see here is this clear move down of this empty space. I see two consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is our empty space. And this POTTERBOX here, we need to break over this POTTERBOX. And we're hovering above cost basis, which is a good sign. If we can break above this 384.65, I would set my entry here and my stop loss also at the same place, maybe a little bit down so we can have a little bit of breathing room. And then first target is this 392.98. And second target will be this 401.55. And that's pretty much it for Tesla. That looks pretty good. So let me go ahead. I wrote everything down. Now let's do CRNC. I got you, man. I got you, Johns. So CRNC, let's see what, if anything is here. What's up, Mug? I do see you in here as well. So now, what are we looking for here? Obviously, we're looking for empty space. And I do see, oh, wow. Wow. This is very good, Johns. This is nice. I'm loving this. I miss Tesla. All good. I'll go back over Tesla after this. I got you. No worries. I'll do a couple other stocks, and now I'll go back over Tesla. No worries. I know you just got in here late. All good. We'll go over it once again. Wow, this looks pretty good. I want to see where I want to draw this. I'll probably draw right here. Top, bottom. Okay, this looks pretty good, I would say. So CRNC. I got you, user 11. Appreciate it so much for tuning in. So right here. Boom. Yeah, I'll go over Tesla after this. I got you. No worries. I'll go right over it. So right here, this actually looks really good. And see, okay, cool. So right here, the first thing that I'm looking at is this. So yes, we are above this wall. We're almost. I could literally swing this until the weekend. This actually looks really good. This looks really good. There's empty space. I would have to check the contracts, obviously, so I know they're good. But I would say if we can break above this wall at this 1047, how did you decide to draw that box? I got you. So the first thing that I looked at, the first thing that I was looking for was this empty space. So I seen 1, 2, 3, 4. I seen 4 consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And I was like, okay, there has no consolidations, and we could ride this to the upside. Bad advice. Thank you so much, Bryant. If you have any good advice, just feel free to tell us, and we can listen to you. 100%. Appreciate you so much, man. But yes, we do see the empty space, and once we can break over this wall, and this wall that I seen here was points of contact, and I seen a body candle here, and this wick here closing near the same line, and this bottom wall, I do see points of contact here, these 2 body candles, and this wick here closing at the same line. All good, Bryant. No worries, man. If you can find a better entry for us, just let us know, and you know we can listen to you. So appreciate you so much, man. So yes, this is a move from the so this empty space. If we can go up and clear this, and we're hold above this cost basis, I can see us going up to this 1047. But my first take profit would actually be, let's see. My first take profit would actually be the middle of the move. Anyways, XRP lives. That's cool, man. Hope you're hitting these trades too, bro. Hope you're hitting these trades. Hope you're having a blessed one. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me go to my first take profit. Let's see what we can do here. So, yes, if we can break above this 1047, I would target up to my first take profit. Is this 1180, and my final. And this is, I hate day traders. I'm not a day trader, bro. I swing trade. But anyways, appreciate the hate. Hope you're having a blessed one, bro. Hope you're having a blessed one. But yes, anyways, if we can break over this wall at this 1047, I could target up to this 1180. I thought you needed 10K followers to go live, but no, I think you need like 1K, and you have to have like a couple posts up or something. But I'm almost at 10K. Good luck to you, bro. Good luck to you, man. So yes, we do see this empty space of this clear move down of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 red candles with no consolidations, and this is exactly what I want to the upside. And yes, if we can break above this wall, I would take it up to this 1317. And that's pretty much it. I'll go over Tesla one more time for you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like 1K. But I started this count like, what, 3 months ago, like 2.5 months. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So for Tesla, if you did miss this, I will go over this one more time for you. So let's look at this. So the first thing that we've seen here, who would be good to learn from if you are a beginning wanting to learn more? I will say, go to PotterBox PBS. That's the only mentor that I would trust. Obviously, we do teach. I teach for free. I have my own Discord. But I would say PotterBox is a very good dude. You could go show him some love. Tell him I sent you as well. He's a pretty cool dude. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Do you make 2 moves per trade every time? Are you saying, like, do I make 2 points of contact or 2 trades a day? Or what are you saying? Can you reword that for me? And I can definitely answer your question. So, yes, right now on Tesla, this is only 1 hour chart. I did predict the 24-hour puts on Friday, but we did see this clear move down. So I've seen 1, 2 consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And, oh, okay, so the points of contact. So I go by 2 points of contact or more, and that's pretty much it. So 2 points of contact is what I do. So 2 points of contact or more could be 2 points of contact, 100 points of contact. What's up, LV Wilson? I do see you in here, bro. Appreciate you so much for tuning in. So yes, right here we do see, obviously there's only 2 points of contact here. We see 2 body candles closing at this wall, and same thing at the bottom, 2 points of contact, and we have this empty space. And if we can break over this 384.65, I will take this up to the 392.98, and final target would be this 401.55. But to be honest, I won't get into any heavy positions today. I will only get in light positions and throw in heavier next week, start of a new week. You know, no holidays, so we're chilling. So yeah, this is Tesla. That looks pretty good to the upside from the 384.65. If we have a break and hold, so I need a candle closure above, I would take it above and have my stop loss here. And obviously, yes, no entry yet. There's nothing, no entry yet because we cannot get over this wall. And how far would this be? So this trade took so it took 2 hours for this empty space to happen. So I'm expecting at least 2 hours for it to go back up. But, you know, we're going into Friday, so be careful. I don't know if you would want to hold this. I probably wouldn't even want to hold this to the upside. But honestly, I would go out maybe a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days, and see if we can actually hit this target. But yeah, that looks pretty good. For Tesla, that looks pretty nice. We did catch this. I don't know if you guys were in my live yesterday, but we did catch SPY on the 10-minute. This was a move from the 582 up to the 585. So that's pretty cool. But I don't really trade on the 10-minute chart, so I didn't even take this one. I was like, you know what? I'm not taking this one. I don't like to day trade too much. I like to swing trade. I like my swing trades. It's my bread and butter, I would say. But yeah, we did catch this as well. So now let's keep going. So this is yes, this is SPY. Let's see if there's anything for us here. Let me go to the higher time frames. Actually, let me start on the 24-hour. Let's see if there's anything here on SPY. Honestly, I'm not even going to trade SPY today, to be honest, unless I see a clear setup and I don't see anything on the 24-hour. Let's see if there's anything on the 4-hour. I don't like this. I don't like this price action move. There's a lot of consolidations with no empty space. Let me go down to the 1-hour and see if there's anything better. Honestly, oh yeah, I didn't really see anything except for this move up here. Obviously, there's a little bit of empty space here, but I probably wouldn't even take that. But up to here. What about IWM? Okay, cool. Honestly, I haven't even checked IWM in a minute, so I'm so glad you said that. I'm so glad you said that. Appreciate you. So Soundhound, please. So I did just go over Soundhound, but no worries. I can go over that one more time for you. No worries. So after I go over IWM, I will get you Soundhound. No worries. So yes, the first thing that we see here. Appreciate it, Alex. I really appreciate your tuning in. Thank you for the reminder. IWM is a very good stock we always trade. So right here, what do we see here? So we see this. We see this empty space, and this is a move from RGTI. Okay, I had that written down, or well, I thought I did. RGTI. I'll write that down. I got you. So yes, the first thing that we see. Let me turn my PC back on. Is this clear empty space to this downside. So we see a clear move down of 1, 2, 3. So I see 3 consecutive green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is called empty space. And this right here is our POTTERBOX. Shout out to Potter. And we have our wall here. So this is 3 points of contact this time. So I've seen 1, 2. So 2 body candles and 1 wick closing at the same line. And we need to break and close over this wall in order for us to target to this empty space to this upside. How about NVIDIA? Okay, NVIDIA, I got you. Have a lot of stocks to go over. A lot of different types of trades. That's perfect. Okay, yes, we do see the top here. We have the bottom. And the middle will be my empty... Well, the middle will be the imbalance. And this is where I trim most of my contracts, leaving the runners to the upside. So, yes, if we can... I can actually find an early entry if we can reclaim this floor at this 591, trying to take it up to... So, I actually would take an entry at this 593.68, trying to reach up to this first take profit, this 594. But if you do miss those, and better confirmation and better entry would be at this 595.28 if we can get a break and closure above this wall. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And I would take it up to my first target at this 597.24. And then final target, this 599.19. And that's pretty much it for me. So that's on SPY. That's on SPY. Let's look at IWM. I cannot forget that. We might have something good on here. We'll see. I haven't checked it in a minute, so I'm pretty sure we should see something. As you can see, we called out IWM on the 1 hour. We broke up. It hit my top. But anyways, don't worry about this. I'm going to delete all these lines now. Please check NAK and QQQ. Okay, NAK and QQQ. I'll do that right after this. I got you. No worries, no worries. So right now, let me go ahead and let me break this down. Let me go ahead and delete all this. Don't let any of this fool you. It's fine. So let's do this. Perfect. Okay. Oh, okay. This looks nice. This looks really nice. Okay, IWM. Okay. Oh, that looks really good. Dang, and I have a lot of personal setups that I'm taking myself and with the team, but these are some good setups that I definitely could take together. So right here, the first thing that I'm looking at, let me go ahead and move this down. So we have the top wall here. So the top wall, we see one body candle here and a wick here closing at the same line, and IWM on the 24-hour chart, not the daily. So we do see this empty space to this upside. I would take it up to here. I wouldn't even care. So my first take profit would be, 1 second, getting all this written down. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. Brush. Okay. We have it. We got it figured out now. So right here, the first thing that we see, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Driving me crazy. But yes, the first thing that I looked at on IWM, and this is a move from the 225 all the way up to the 233, and this looks pretty good. So I do see the first thing that I looked at, I did see this empty space to this downside. So I've seen two consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And we had this wall that we need to break over. And this wall here, I see one body candle here and a wick here. And they're all closing at the same line. And all that we need to do, I would wait for a break and candle closure above this wall over this 225. And I would take it to the upside. Let me make sure there's no lower time frame influences that would stop us from entering early. Okay, if we enter in on the 4-hour chart, there is something that we need to understand here. Obviously, yes, there is. And obviously, yes, it is. It might be tiny, but this is still a POTTERBOX here. So right here, honestly, to right here. So that's still a little POTTERBOX. And if we did get over this wall, I would need to get over. So if we did enter in on the 4-hour, I would need an entry and hold above this 225.75. But the 24-hour time frame is still valid for that move to the upside. So yeah, that looks pretty good. So yeah, that looks pretty good. CRNC, let me see. 1 second. Oh wow, what happened? Oh yeah, it definitely might pull back. But yeah, the end of day entry might be good. The end of day entry, if we can get above that wall, it's going to be great. And I would definitely take it. I would take it lightly though, because I don't really want to swing anything on a Friday too heavy. But yeah, IWM looks good. I wrote down IWM, have Tesla. Yes, we did go over Tesla, but no worries. We'll go over it one more time. We did actually catch Tesla on the 24-hour flush on Friday, so that was pretty good. The contracts were very expensive though. It was like $1,000 for a contract. Let me see. Okay, NAK. I got you with NAK. As soon as I'm done here, go all in on one GameStop. Dude, full porting. That's crazy. But yeah, for Tesla, so we did see a clear move down of this empty space of this 2 consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And all we need to do is break over this wall at this 384.65. And I would target this empty space to this upside. And my first take profit would be this 392.98. And final take profit is 401.55. And that's pretty much it. That's how I would go. 1 second. That's how I would take that trade to the upside. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's do NAK. NAK. Actually, I'm going to write this down. NAK. Let's see. So let me go ahead and drink some water before I got you 100%. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Okay, the 1 hour looks very good, but I always start on the higher time frame. So if there's no play on the higher time frame, we will go down to the lower time frame. And do I do Forex? No, I do not do Forex at all. I do not do any type of Forex. Not bashing anyone that does Forex. I just personally don't do it. I do options, and I also do futures as well. But yeah, let's look. Obviously, I do see this empty space, but let's see if there's anything we can go for. Honestly, I don't like that. Let's go to the 1 hour. I did see a couple good plays on the 1 hour. And so right here I probably won't even trade this, to be honest. But I will say, boom, we have here. We have this here. So right now we are we're floating on top of this wall here. Yes, I'm using TradingView. TradingView is how I go over all my analysis before I get into a stock, get into a trade. And this is pretty much it. So NAK, if you do plan on getting in, I personally will skip on this one. But yes, obviously I can see a punchback entry at this middle line, at this cost basis. But if you get in, I'll get in under this 0.65 all the way down to the imbalance and then to this 0.58. And that's pretty much it for me. So now let's keep on going. Let's look. What should we see? RGTI, we see NVIDIA. Let's look at NVIDIA. Let's see if there's a play on there we can actually look forward to, actually go forward to. So now, NVIDIA, and after this, I want to go over the contracts. I did find a couple good gems. CRNA looks good. IWM looks good. Tesla looks pretty good, even though I don't really like day trading too much. But I might take a dabble at that, 100%. So yes, this is NVIDIA, 100%. I got you guys and gals. So 24-hour chart, let's go here. Let's see if there's anything we can actually go for and actually catch. Honestly, I do see a little bit empty space up here, but honestly, I probably won't even take that. I like clear setups, but I do see that empty space if we can break above this 140.30 and we can target up to this 145. But let me go ahead and break it down, see if we can see an actual valid entry, see anything better we can go for, look forward to. So right now, I don't see anything on the video yet. No potential trades. Let me go to the 1 hour. So yes, I always start on the higher time frames and go down to the lower time frames if I don't see anything that I like. And obviously, yes, I do see some empty space to this downside if we can break underneath a wall. But to be honest, I don't really like that. I would just wait for some empty space, to be honest. I don't see anything that I currently like. Maybe a day trade. Let's see. I can go down to the 10-minute chart. XOM, I got you with XOM. I think we're holding that lightly though, so I'm not really too worried. I wanted to enter into a full position, but didn't really want to. But in the video, I don't really see anything. I did see a couple of empty space, but I would personally just wait for a trade to happen, for some empty space to occur. But if you like the 10-minute chart, here's a trade right now. We have the top. We have, I would say, the bottom here. Or actually, no, yeah. The bottom will be here. So we do have empty space. The risk reward isn't there. So I'm definitely not taking this one. This is from the 139.27 down to the 138.96. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I definitely wouldn't take this one, to be honest. But yeah, that looks pretty good. And yes, now I want to go over the contracts, the types of contracts we try to go for. And I will go over the Qs after that, 100%. QQQ is on my next list. So right now, the types of things we try to go for, as you can see. So the contracts we try to buy, I go by target-based contracts. And this was over a 500% trade. So from $13 all the way to $78. And we buy cheap contracts. Yes, my name is Lee. You can call me Lee. But yeah, we catch a lot of these trades. 400%, as you can see. Actually, let's start from the beginning from yesterday. So we did catch Lunar. Someone made 5K from Lunar yesterday. Said, thank you so much. We catch a lot of trades, a lot of different types of trades we try to go for, try to look at. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Target, caught some target here as well, over 300%. The full move hasn't even happened. Another 3K for Lunar. As you can see, yes, all the people in the gains page, we're doing pretty well. And yes, I will be honest. Sometimes I will have to lose, and sometimes I will have to get stopped out, which is perfectly fine. Someone was calling me. I do too, bro. I do too, Alex. But yeah, hopefully we can hit that trade. It's going to be great. As you can see, another SPY, 145%. We did catch SPY. I did call this out, 194%. A lot of different types of trades, a lot of different traders in here. As you can see, 316% with this trade. A lot of different types of people in here. Everyone's pretty cool here. Yes, we did go over this 500% trade. I know, man. Pray that we hit. So, yeah, 392%. I have like a light position on there. I'm not in too heavy, so we're going to see what happens Monday. Maybe I'll add more, but as of right now, I'll hold my small position. So 300% we call SMCI as well. SMCI was a good trade. So now we'll keep going. A lot of different types of traders in here. A lot of different types of people. As you see, we do features as well. Over $1,400 was made. So yeah, a lot of different types of gains. A lot of different types of members. Even I post mine sometimes. I don't really like posting my gains too much, but 473%. But yeah, a lot of different types of traders. We call it Lulu as well, 270%. Crazy gains today. Another one, 78%. Sorry, I can't count. I can't read. Oracle or RCL, 200%. So yes, if you do plan on joining, you can join the free chat. I would advise you not to pay for anything. Obviously, I do have the live trading alerts. But if you're new here and you're a beginner, just learn from us. Ask your questions. Ask away, and you'll be fine. Meta. I haven't went over Meta in a while. I'm actually going to look at that too. So the Qs and also Meta. I got you. And I'll go over how I find these stocks to trade. As you can see, 219%, 153%. So yeah, a lot of different types of trades. I did call out IWM. Let's keep on going. $13,000 over 191%. Show the most recent wins. I missed it. Okay, I got you, bro. No worries, no worries. So yes, Lunar, we call it Lunar as well. A member, he posted his gains, $5,000. He said, thank you so much. This was just yesterday. I had another member post his target call, over 300% already. So yeah, that was looking pretty good, pretty decent, pretty fire. Yeah, so a lot of different types of traders in here. So yes, you can join the free version. Link is in the bio. We also do have the upgrade to premium. We have it's $29 a week. We have the $99 a month, and we have the yearly. But everything is 25% off. Promo code is PutBrothers. So feel free to get into the group. Who's making these calls? So mostly I am making all these calls, but I do have a lot of members in here that they're like, yo, can we look at this stock? Can we find this trade? Is this a good, stock to look at? And I'm like, I'll, go over it. I'm like, okay, this looks good. We're going to get in. But if it doesn't look good, we don't get in. I only trade what I see. So yeah, a lot of times I'll call out these stocks like SPY. We called out SPY. So let's look. 1 second, SPY. So yeah, SPY, we did break over this. We had the, so this is the VIP. We had the befores, and we also had the after and the aftermath of SPY, which was, as you can see, 145%, 194. So basically 200% on that trade. So another one, SPY call, 316%. And yes, I know it says only $57, but just imagine you putting in, a decent amount and making 300%, something like that. I would need to see how the free join the free chat. I would say just join the free chat, see how everyone is. You can post your charts if you're still having trouble with anything. Everyone here is down to help you, I promise. It's a very positive community. Everyone here is pretty cool. What's the difference between your Discord and Potter's Discord? I'm looking to join. Honestly, you can join us for free. The difference is I only do live trading alerts, but he's very good. So honestly, you can go to him. He's a very good trader. Never going to take anything from him. Buy his course, buy his Discord, pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm thinking about. Potter is a good dude. I would never recommend anyone else. So yes, if you do join him, make sure tell him that I sent you as well. But yes, if you do plan on joining mine, you don't have to though. We do have the 25% off. Promo code is PutBrothers. 25% off the whole website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the contracts we buy, I don't like buying expensive contracts. We like buying cheap contracts. And yeah, very cheap contracts. Like $14 into $69. So 392%. Let's look at this one. So another one, different member, $13 into $78, a 500% return. So yeah, we try to buy the cheap contracts. And yes, sometimes I will have to lose. So if I lose, that's perfectly fine. I can always find a re-entry. And that's pretty much it for me. But yeah, feel free to join. I don't even know what happens to my music. But it's all good. No worries. So wait, 1 second, guys, as I need to, I have to turn the music on. I hate being in this quiet room. Yes, I'm still watching. So now, okay, cool. Perfect. Loop it. Take this off. 1 second. Perfect. Now, we're good now. How to join? Yes, you can join by the link in the bio. Everyone here is pretty cool. But yeah, you can feel free to join the free version. Link is in the bio. We have the VIP version as well. But if you're new, completely new to trading, you don't know anything, I would suggest you just join in, ask your questions. What broker should I use? You know, pretty much anything, and it will be answered. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So for the Qs, let's see if there's anything here that we can actually look forward to. 1 second. XOM. I got you with XOM. 100%. I got you. Do you have any picks from yesterday's trades? Yes, I do have some picks from yesterday's trades. Well, they posted their gains. As you can see, he said, thank you so much. Made him over 5K on Lunar. So that was pretty cool. We have another one. So Trey, Cloudboy Trey, he caught over 300% on that trade. So yeah, a couple of different types of members. But yeah, that's pretty cool. A lot of members here catching trades. So yeah, I call it out pretty much a lot. So we have the swing trades, I do have day trades, and I also do have futures trades. So we'll get into some more futures as well. What's the difference between the free Bank of America? Oh, okay, definitely. I will look at that. Dang, I needed the right pen. Where's my pen at? Okay, I got the pen. Okay, cool, perfect. I will definitely look at Bank of America too. What's the difference between the free and the VIP? So the free chat, obviously, it's more of a learning chat, and you can ask your questions. Obviously, yes, you can ask for entries and exits, whatever you guys want to ask for. But yeah, this is pretty much it. But the VIP, we have the live trading alerts. We have more in-depth learning. Pretty much it. But yeah, there's a lot of people that's in there. You can ask all the members, see if they like it or not. But yeah, just join the free chat and see if you like it. If you don't, no worries. If you do, 100%, that's cool too. So now that was, yeah, CRNC looks good, man. I wish we could have gotten in. Wish I would have gotten in yesterday if I would have seen it. But yes, it's $29 a week. We have the $99 a month, but everything is, 25% off. So make sure to use that promo code PutBrothers ! If you do plan on joining. But you don't have to. But if you do have trouble with the link, just let me know and I'll send you the appropriate link. No worries. So right here, I want to go to the lower time frame for the Qs. Dude, CRNC looks good, man. Shout out to Johns for that great find. So CRNC, wow, this looks good. That looks really good, man. I will say that looks very amazing. So now let's keep going. Which broker do you recommend for a very small account? Honestly, I would say maybe Robinhood, maybe Webull. Robinhood, be careful. May run into a couple problems, but, all good. So now let's keep on seeing. NQ short. I will look at that as well. So right here for the Qs, I don't really see anything that I like except for this. Teamwork, yeah. And, my Discord is about teamwork. And I love teamwork because, a lot of times, yes, I will call out the trades, but sometimes there are members or, a lot of times they're like, members are like, yo, look at this trade, look at this. And we're all working together. And we're like, yo, you think we should take it? And I'll chart it up. I'm like, okay, we can find an entry here. We find an entry. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's all a teamwork effort in my Discord. So, no man or no, woman is better than the other. So that's pretty much it. It's all a teamwork effort. So shout out to Johns for that. CRNC, say. This is why I love going live, finding new gems. IWM, no, we didn't go. So the Qs. So right here, obviously, we are a ways down below. But I will say, if we can break above this wall here. So right now, I do see this empty space. So I see two consecutive red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the upside. And if we can break over this wall, my first take profit would be, let me do this perfect. 1 second. My first take profit is always going to be the middle of the move. So the middle of the empty space. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And this is from the 523 up to the 525. And final target, this 527. So that looks pretty good. Is CRNC going to go down? Honestly, I would not enter right now. It looks like it's trying to fill into this empty space. And as you can see, for CRNC. We did call this, or, you know, John's actually alerted this, but we did see this, you know, POTTERBOX that needs to be broken, and it was around right here, and now it boomed up. So if we can get an early day entry, I would, but if it touches this middle line, the move has already happened, so I wouldn't even take it, to be honest. But yeah, CRNC does look pretty good if we can catch that. Can you show how you determine confirmation when a floor ceiling is grabbed? Yo, what's up, Disguise Joker? Yeah, I got you, Jose. Good to see you again, bro. Great to see you today. So right here, as you can see, we have this bottom wall and we have this top wall here. Let me go ahead and make it perfect. I'm awake. Dude, I'm so glad. I'm like, he usually wakes up like an hour later, but dude, he's up early. He's getting to it. So shout out to Disguise Joker. Thank you for the gifts, bro. Really appreciate it. But yeah, so the floor that needs to be grabbed is this bottom floor here at this 519. I never make it to your live, so I know. You always come in when I'm leaving. So I'm still on live, though. It's all good. But I'll be in the Discord in the VIP before market open. So yeah, just watching some entries right now. So yes, it's clear move down of the empty space. We do see 2 red candles with no green candles interfering. And in order for us to grab this wall, we would need to break and close above this wall. And as you can see, we tried to grab the floor, but we could not. And as long as we can break above, we can find an entry. And yes, there is empty space. Even though this is a little bit of empty space, there's still empty space to here. Up to here. 1 second. 1 second. So yes, this is still empty space. So I would probably find an entry at this 521.52 if we can break above. And trying to go up to my first take profit at this 522.95. And I would have my stop loss at this cost basis. But if you don't catch that entry, if you do plan on missing that, if you miss it on, you know, accident or whatever, you can go over and enter in once we break over this 522.95, going up to this 525.28, and then final target would be this 527.57, and that's pretty much it. That's exactly how I would do it. And obviously, yes, we are a ways away from this, but other than that, it looks pretty good once we can get up here for the Qs. I got long in calls, QQ, now waiting for the box. Yeah, if we can get up to that box, bro, there's nothing but empty space, and that looks pretty good. On sale, yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, that looks good. There's also some empty space down here, though. If we can break above this wall here at this 513, there's empty space up to here at this 515. Obviously, I probably won't even take that, but yeah, it looks pretty good if we can break above. But yeah, man, I got you 100%, and I will go over more examples of how to catch the floor and things of like that. I got calls on SPY. Let me see, actually. Let me see. Oh, I have to do QSI, or did I already do QSI? I'm looking at my sheet right now. I'm pretty sure I did pretty much everything. So yeah, calls on SPY. Yeah, I can see it looks the same exact thing, same exact setup for the Qs. So if we break above this 587, I can see it going up to this same thing. I would take it up to this 591.61. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We do have empty space to this downside too, so let's look. So there's also empty space here. So yeah, also empty space to this downside here on SPY, this 1 hour. I do see this itty bitty empty space. And yes, this is a move from the 584 down to the 581. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So SPY, let's keep going. Qs and a Q. So 1 second. Oh, next week, fire, man, fire. Yeah, I am holding a couple trades, but we are in a little lightly. I'm not really too worried right now. Pretty much it. So SPY, that's pretty much it. Looks pretty good if we can get over a box, over a wall. Hey, what platform is this? So this is on TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis before I enter into a stock. And as you can see, I cleared all my charts. There's nothing on my charts. No indicators, no volume, no anything. We don't use indicators. I only use straight price action, the POTTERBOX, and empty space. That's pretty much it. So now let's keep going. What are we looking for here? So SPY, let's look at some more trades. Let's see if there's anything. And also, I did read a comment saying, how do I find these stocks? How do I find these trades? Well, I will be honest. I look at random things. Like, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Let me get rid of all of this. So I will literally look up anything. It could be Dollar Tree, Walmart. So if I see anything, I'll be like, okay, let's look at Robinhood. Let's look at, it could be literally anything, and we would look at it. So that's pretty much it. Obviously, I do see some empty spaces upside here. Is the live paused? If it is paused, let them empty spaces upside here. Is the live paused? If it is paused, let me know. But yeah, Meta, I do see some empty spaces upside here. Honestly, this is a move from 608. So it's $10 move up. Actually, not a bad move. Not a bad move. So yeah, this is kind of a bigger PotterBox. Bigger than I would like to kind of draw. But yeah, this looks pretty good. Honestly, yeah, it's pretty big, but it's all good. So now this is on the 24-hour chart, and I can see a move. This clear empty space that we could tap into. So this actually doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right here, same exact thing. We do see if we can break over the 608.43. We can go up to the 618.89. If the live is paused, let me know, and I will try to fix this. Sorry about this, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Looks pretty good. My first take profit will actually be the middle of the move. So same exact thing. So the top and the bottom. Boom. Empty space. Boom. 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 So yeah, that's pretty much it. All good. Dude, I know, man. My internet is so terrible out here. So crazy. So yeah, 608.43. My first target is 613.81. Second target, or the final target, is 618.89. So that looks pretty good. Is there a free trade you're calling out today? If there is a good trade that, there is, then I will call it out, because I did promise the free chat a free, actual trade that I will give. But last week, or, this week, wasn't really too many good setups. It was still, the New Year's and stuff. So, yeah, still looking for a couple good trades. I want to make sure we can actually be able to hit them. So I want to give the free chat some, actually good trade that we can actually take. But, yeah, CNRC does still look good, though. This looks great. If we are above this wall at this 1046, I definitely will. Let's start a GoFundMe. Dude, trust me, I tried to get the best internet. I even have an extender, and I don't know why it still, works crazy. But yeah, that's so funny, bro. That's funny, but all good, all good. That's funny, man. But yeah, CRNC looks pretty good. Tesla, we did go over Tesla. But yeah, Tesla, we did catch this. One second. See what Glock said on the let's see, 1 second. 1 second, I show what Glock showed. One second. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yeah, I was just making sure everyone's pretty cool in there in the VIP chat. But now, I got you for Tesla. Sorry about that. Did not mean to stall. But yeah, I feel like, and obviously, yes, we did find an early entry on the, what all does the VIP get you? So we have, it's not just me in there. I do have a couple other top traders in my VIP, and I'll go over Tesla as well. But yeah, we have a couple, good traders at the VIP that actually catch a lot of trades with me, call out. So you get the call outs, you get a lot more in-depth information of how to catch these trades, and we're working together as a team. And, we have our entries, our exits, we have our live trading, we have, the swing trading, the day trading. If you do futures as well, we do futures trading too as well. So that's pretty much it. But yes, if you do plan on joining the VIP, make sure to use the 25% off. 25% off pretty much the whole website. Promo code is PutBrothers, exclamation mark. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's what gets you the VIP. So it gets you the trading signals live, trading Q&As, entries and exits and more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now let's keep going 1 second. So this is actually lunar. This wasn't a 500% trade. This was a $5,000 gain, by the way. Yeah, everything in one is pretty cool. So this is what I like, and I try to keep it, fair. And I do have the 25% off. So we do have the trading signals. So you get all the trading signals I look for and all my top members look at. We have the live voice Q&As. We have the entries and exits. So if you need help with the contracts, what we're looking for, what contracts not to buy, you can spam us. I promise you can spam us. But like, yo, Let me know what's going on. I got you, bro. I promise we'll get to you 100%. I'm just starting out trying to learn all of this. 100%, I really appreciate it. A lot of people are really trying to learn and try to catching these games. What are cooking today? So I will say CRNC looks pretty good. Honestly, if we can stay just a little bit above over this wall at this 1047, I would take a swing at this. I would swing it up to this 13, 17, and hopefully they can call me Babe Ruth after I can hit the swing. But that's pretty much it. So Tesla, let me go over this. I do see there's still a little bit more of empty space to this downside at this 363. 1 second, 363. So yeah, that looks pretty good. But yeah, I do see a lower time frame trade that we can actually take too as well. I'm just at the game. Had my first trade yesterday. Only made like $60 profit, but it's a start. Haley, all good. That's good. That's your first trade. And remember, it's always better that you see that, your percentage matters more than the money. So the percentage matters, and not what I mean by that. So 300%. So let's look at this. I want to show you. So right here, 1 second. Percentage matters more because if you can catch your percentages, it's all good. So right here, as you can see, yes, this trade only made $65, but it was a 500% return. So this is why I say the percentages matter more. And if you can catch a big percentages on all your trades, you'll be good. And if you lose, and I lose a lot, I lose sometimes. And if I lose, I get out. So never have shame in losing. And if any trader tells you they don't lose, they're just lying to your face. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, profits, it's better than losing. So green is green. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just make sure to have, confidence. If you lose one trade, do not let that, discourage you. Obviously, I still lose to this day. Every trader loses to this day. Even the banks lose. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. All good. I'm a beginner as well. I've been learning theory since some time and a bit practicing. Like your life. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do. So yeah, if you see all these people, sorry, I just stuttered, but if you see all these people with cool cars and stuff flexing on you, don't let that bother you. It's all good. Just stick at it. It's a personal race that everyone has to do on their own. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, any advice towards determining zones? So the way that I go by this, so the first thing that I look for, and I use the POTTERBOX, and this is on the this is on TradingView. This is how I look at all of my analysis. You have forever short. No, I know I'm called the PutBrothers, but I do love my calls and my puts as well. So I never discriminate. I get real think and then get back out early sometimes. That's why I love signals. 100%. And we let our targets hit, and they either work or they don't. And that's pretty much it. They work or they don't, and I have my stop loss. I have my break-even stop loss. So let's say on Tesla on the 1 hour chart, and I see a clear move down of this empty space, and I do see a clear move up if we can break above. And yes, we are on Tesla on the 1 hour, and I see these two body candles closing at the same line, and all we need to do is break above. And yes, we are on Tesla right now, Tesla, and on the 1 hour chart. And if we can break above this 384.52, I would target it up all the way up to this 401.55. But my first take profit will actually be the middle of the move. So right here, I'll go over this as well. 1 second. So the first thing that we see here, this empty space, and if we can break over this wall, we can go over from this 384.52, and I would take it up to this 393.09, my first take profit, and I trim most of my contracts, leaving the runners and trying to reach the 401.55. Do you think NVIDIA will go down? I actually just looked at NVIDIA. Honestly, I didn't really see anything that I liked, so I probably will miss it out until we can find some empty space. Does Robinhood have a stop loss for option? Yes. You can place your stop loss, and that's pretty much it. You can do Robinhood. It's pretty cool. Do you think Tesla will go up? Honestly, I will wait for the triggers. Either they go up or they don't, and I just follow the play, and that's pretty much it. Where would you put my stop loss? So let's just say we got in here. So we got in right here. We're breaking this wall. My stop loss is going to be the same exact way. I might have a little bit of breathing room because sometimes I like to tap at the top of the box. So maybe some breathing room right here. And that's pretty much it, a break-even stop loss. And yeah, if I have to get tapped out, perfectly fine. I can find a re-entry. But other than that, guys and gals, I think I will be getting off now. I will be in the VIP chat. I will be in the Discord. So ask me any questions. I will be in here as well. If you do plan on joining the VIP, you don't have to, but those of you asking, 25% off the whole website. Promo code is PutBrothers, so feel free to join if you do want to. But yeah, whole bunch of different types of games, whole bunch of different types of trades that we try to go for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of new members here. So yes, link in the bio. I'll see you in the Discord, or I'll see you in the lives. Appreciate you so much. Have a blessed one.